Hey everyone, my name is Charles Werner and I'm the Director of Drone Responders. I'm honored to be here for the second year in a row as a judge for Airwards. Airwards is a phenomenal program that gives us a chance to highlight the many great successes of drones around the world. These successes, by being shared, help to build toward even bigger successes in the future. And while last year's participants were phenomenal, this year's were even better, and that made it extremely hard to decide who the winners would be. So today I am here to announce the winner in the Humanitarian Aid and Disaster Relief category in the group Giving Back. And the winner is Swoop Aero. Congratulations, Swoop Aero, for your entry, Creating the Future of Air Logistics. For those of you who didn't win, congratulations for your entries, and don't give up. Airwards will be here again next year.
Hi, I'm Sabrina Maval, Chief Commercial Officer at Swoop Aero. On behalf of the team, we're proud to be nominated for an Airward in the Humanitarian Aid and Disaster Relief category. The award recognises the hard work and dedication of our 70-strong crew over the last 4 years. At Swoop Aero, we are privileged to be able to provide a medical logistics service to 3 million people across 5 countries. And we are on track of scaling that impact to reach 100 million people in 2025. Thank you again for the nomination, and we hope you will stay alongside us as we continue our journey.